Bitopi, a Bengali word which means a large tree with thick foliage which provides shade. The group was incepted in the year 1968 with Bitopi Advertising and later in 1984 diversified into ready-made garment sector with Misami Garments Limited. Today, Bitopi Group has 4 strategic business units under the umbrella of Silk Route Sourcing Limited and 1 more in the launching phase. Bitopi Group has 14,000 skilled professionals where RMG specialists are working continuously to reach a production quantity of 2.6 million pieces per month. Our core products are trousers, shorts, outerwear, jackets, shirts for men, women and children. We work with the topmost brands who span around the world. With visionary leadership and professionals, Bitopi Group is run to achieve excellence in the ready-made garments manufacturing industry. We give highest importance to technology in our production process. BIS, ERP and 3D softwares ensure the technological strength. Our highly experienced R&D experts are always thinking and innovating products to fulfill the desire of our clients. We have 4 state-of-the-art production units which are Remy Holdings Limited, the flagship brand of Bitopi Group. It has been acclaimed as the world's #1 highest-rated green factory. Remy Holdings has zero waste emission and all solid wastes are converted to energy.
The ranking itself is not what is important. What is important is the principles that have gone behind every decision that we have taken. And the principles are simply that we wanted our workers to have a working atmosphere, a climate which was conducive to their health, conducive to productivity, conducive to better communication.
Misami Garments Limited is the brainchild of Bitopi Group, where all innovation, product design and development takes place. Tarasima Apparels Limited has been honored as the highest green factory by US Green Building Council. Tarasima Apparels Limited has also won a number of awards and usage of equipment and practice as per compliance. We also have recruitment policies for the differently abled people. Our dreams do not